we ready to go to the beach?
No.
No. Let's go. Let's go to the car.
Light me up, don't you stop, 'cause tonight it's on the line. Show me how you get on down. Close my eyes, take me for a ride. Got to be you.
A quick trip is made easier with the Scout camper. We're gonna do a little beach day today. What I love most about that with having this is the ease of being able to go away for a day with the little one. So for number one, it's a little house on wheels. So if we need a sun break, we can go back, take a break inside. So we can spend all day at the beach if needed. Two, like anything, we have a little portable shower, which is quite amazing. And you can just put it on the side of the camper. It's elevated. You can sprinkle off all the dirt, sand, whatever off you and get clean before you go back in your vehicle. And three is the snacks, anything that you have, which people have coolers and stuff like that, which is great. But this one, the Domatic refrigerator, is literally a refrigerator inside, so you can keep your snacks cool without ice, powered by the solar. So that's going to be pretty fun, and we're going to share that with you today. And we're going to go a little off-roading, which this allows us to do a little bit more, to the end of this beach peninsula, which we might have shared before in a few other videos. It's a really beautiful area where Rhea can run around on, and hopefully it's less crowded knowing it's the middle of the week, but we'll see. It's the last few days of summer. It's relatively warm today, which seems like a great beach day, but I'm sure others are thinking the same. Okay, raided the pantry and the refrigerator. A little bit less organized at this point. And then I just bring it down, go outside, and I'm gonna drop it into this camper in a little bit more organized fashion when I put it in there. Well, I already put the chairs in, so it hasn't charged the battery fully. We're at about 14%, but that should be efficient to have this refrigerator on. Let's see. More cheese, junk food, more stuff, fruit. Gotta have your fruit cold. Don't want your protein bar to melt. That's it. Packed up. Just want to mention to you the solar power. Mention to you the solar shower. This is it. This is on Amazon. Works great, but what I love about this camper is you might notice later, so you can take it little tricks, like you start being able to understand how you use it. You know, I chose not to get the camper with the shower because this is efficient enough. I can just fill it up and you know, squat down, get your whole body, does the job. And it's warm water. Usually it's not the best type of it, you know, it does some leaking. It's not perfect, but for $20 I think it's a huge savings for what it costs to have a bigger one of these campers with a shower in it. So I'll take the $20 that I can replace easily anytime. Pretty awesome. I don't know if you guys noticed, but oh, look at our logo. along with the Scout Camper logos. So sick. We're official. You can find us on YouTube. Here we are, Ixchel Quince, YouTube, we're official. I don't know why I'm talking like that. I don't know, super stoked on that. So another quick thing I just wanted to share with everybody. A couple things that I noticed on the camper that I think is useful now. This porch is amazing. It also can get hot as hell because mine's metal. So if it's not spray coated or anything, I had a extra bed mat and I cut that up and I lay that over the top. It's been super useful, which is great. We ready to go to the beach?
No.
No? Let's go. Let's go to the car. Alright. We're gonna go to the beach. Customize this little gate holder. It's key. Camper doesn't quite fit in a Ram truck because this is a 6-foot 4-inch bed. You really need a 6-foot 5-inch bed for this Olympic Scout camper to fit. So this little thing, you can put the tailgate up almost all the way, and the swing arm for your tire can lock in place as well. So that's how I do that if there was any questions regarding. Let us in. Got a fresh cast for the year. So one of the reasons we don't come here even more often is because of the logistical problem with parking. There's limited space, which is great because the beach is a lot more open. But finding a space to park down here can be a challenge. And then we plan on being here for a while, so I might come back to the truck and then move it closer to where we're going to be sitting at. But I think it's worth it. It's quite beautiful. Here we go. Ta-da! Quick showers, rinsing off the sand. Alright, what are we gonna eat today?
We're gonna get some chips and corn. It's like a corn sauce.
Oh, that looks good.
Let me get the chips.
And we need to get home to put her to bed, so we're not doing a camp out. So, cold salsa. Thank you, refrigerator. And yeah, let's go. We already put Rhea in her seat. Things are all turned on and ready to go. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Ixchel and Quince, our True East. Till next time.